Hi guys, Friction RC here with a follow-up update. As you can see, the front end of my Slash is now off. Done in two parts. These are the A-arms with the camber and toe links and the caster blocks, and as you can see there is a lot of rust. However, if you have a look on the ground, there's also a lot of like dirt and dust. Sri Lanka is quite a clay country, so a lot of this orange stuff is a combination of rust but also dried on clay. Here's all the little screws that I've managed to take out. Now, I didn't use WD-40 because I couldn't find what I had to loosen the screws, but I did find this, which is my grill cleaner for grates and stuff. So I managed to spray some of that on and it worked well. Now I'm going to try something. Part of the reason of me doing this is obviously I can't be bothered cleaning each and every single screw like that. I've heard stories about this thing and I've seen it online where this thing gets rid of rust. So here is said liquid. Here is said screws and parts. And let's... There you go, you saw the fizzing straight away. So I'm going to do, might pour a little bit more on it just to cover it all up. I'm going to put one load in first, give that a few days to take out and dry it, and then I'm going to put the next load in as well. I don't want to put them all together because I know I can't remember the order of the screws. But anyway, we'll see if this whole Coca-Cola cleans screws and rust thing works. Stay tuned. This is Friction RC saying ciao for now.